Hi Librans, this is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I am the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing, and I'm here to tell you what all the month of October has in store for you. I know a lot of people having birthdays this month, right? Librans, Tarot, please tell me what are your messages, what are your readings for all the Librans? Yeah, let me see. All right. Great. Good. I remember I had told some health issues for Librans in the last video. And you are coming out of that health issue. Now, yes, I see your health improving in a slow pace, but yes, it is definitely getting improved, and you will get lot of emotional support also from your people during this health thing. So there's improvement in health. Happy I am. Okay. Yeah. There are some Librans who've called me personally and told that they've seen the video, and actually they went through certain health issues. Though I'm not very proud of my readings when such things happen, but yes, it did happen. And all right, comment me in the comment box what you feel about my videos and what do you feel about my readings, right? So yes, but health is improving. Good. Wealth is again very good. Again very good. A little delay because it was a reverse card. I know you might be facing delays from last month itself, but little delay. But this kind of wealth that I am showing, this kind of the card that I am showing you is more about a settlement card. So this is a time that you should ask for settlements if there are any pending payments, or if there is any maybe alimony or maybe whatever that you're going through. So you ask for settlement. Even from the universe, you ask for settlement. So this money is what I'm saying is you will be having wealth. Money is very good. It is showering from everywhere. But the tip is, the message is, ask for settlement. Like a one-time settlement, or just settle down my money, and just negotiate. So yes, that's about money. Money card for wealth, money card for money. I am so very happy. Career is also good. Yeah, career seems good, but it shows lot of money investment also for your career, and it shows lot of conceptual investment also. People who are into creative field and all, you need to invest a lot in your concept. You need to invest a lot in your intellectual property. So this is a time that you stock things for yourself, idea wise, maybe your paperwork, maybe whatever. So this is a time that you stock. And there's one tip: if you want your career to zoom, it is a time to give charity. Okay, there's a card where you could give charity, but I have a take on it. Always check whom you give charity to, and see to it that the money is used for the purpose that you have given charity to. Because if you just take money and give to someone who misuses it, you add on karma. So I always check with my dowsing pendulum. I generally have my pendulums with me, or with my malas or whatever. So right now I don't have a pendulum, but I'll just show you how it kind of works. Why this pendant doesn't want to come out? What's wrong? Alright, yeah. So for example, if this is the pendulum, looks something like this. So I always check with the pendulum. If the pendulum goes clockwise, this is how I am doing it deliberately, don't worry. So this goes clockwise, then yes, I should be doing charity to this specific person or this specific NGO or whatever. If it goes anti-clockwise, then it's a no. We have pendulum classes, pre-recorded classes also. You could ask for that. So I generally check because I don't want to add so much of karma due to We know what all happens due to a lot of karma, and karma is not punishment always, but now we have all the tools to check what are we generating new karma, or are we, have we already generated new karma. We have all the tools, and I'm giving you tips here also, so you can always take good advantage of that. So yes, do charity to people who need it really and who will use it actually. Yeah, then we get to relationships. Now, not the time for relationships at all. No way, no way. People, you might choose wrong people. That's what I mean to say. And relations is not only about a spouse. Relations is also family, intimate friends, employees sometimes. Not a good time. Yes, the only thing is that you will get support for your health. That's something that you can expect from your relations. But if you're making new relations, no, not a good time, not good. I mean, you might not attract good people, or you might not attract good in the people, good from the people. So this is a red cross to make relations, to expect from relations. All right. Yeah, sometimes I feel really bad when I have to say a straight no. Right. So, but it's okay. Take care of your health first, and there are people to take care of your health. That's enough. Your career is good, your wealth factor is good. You can take a break from relations for 1 month, because you have to do this just for 1 month. And this is only for a month, right? Okay. External influences. See, you will find yourself being very dependent on others, especially emotionally. And I'm again telling you that this is not the time to be emotional. Health-wise, I understand. But emotionally, you will start expecting a lot from people, and you'll be very dependent on people, especially with regards to your emotions. This is not what you have to do. No, you should not do that. So dependency is a big no-no in this month of October. But I see a celebration. Yeah, birthdays hai na? A lot of birthdays are there. I do see celebration because this is a celebration card. Celebrate. Health is good, wealth is good, career is good. These days, if these three factors are good, it's a time to celebrate. That's what I say. Yes, what you could do is, again, you could use a carnelian. So this is a carnelian. This is a carnelian. This is a carnelian that I have. This is a carnelian pendant. Like a wand, actually, we can make it as a pendant. You can wear it for your health, because yes, I need improvement in health. I don't think I want to give any tip for relations, because just don't get into it. For this month, just don't get into it. Overall, do charity, and I've told you how to do charity as well. Check. Or if you still have any doubts about it, you could contact our center. You could meet any of my assistants or me or whoever. If you really have some doubts about if I should do this charity or not, you can take a consultancy with us. But overall, I feel good about the Librans in the month of October, and let me know how it fared. Put it in the comment box and share this video with others. Thank you.